Widgets, barometer and altimeter. Garmin outdoor watches are equipped with a barometer sensor. After calculations in the device, you can easily view height and pressure information while you are active through the widgets on your watch. The horizontal axis of the altimeter and barometer's widgets represents time, and the unit of the vertical axis can be switched according to your needs. The altimeter can be switched to meters or feet, and the barometer can switch between the inch, mmHg, millibars, hectopascal for units. Please note that the barometric pressure data here is the QMH, which means it is the atmospheric pressure that adjusts your current altitude to the mean sea level for a uniform standard. The pressure at your current location will vary depending on the environment and weather at the time. If you need to know the current pressure at your location, you can add ambient pressure in the customizing data screen from your activity setting page, or download a third-party barometric pressure widget. On the barometer or altimeter widget page, press the start button to enter the setting page. You can select watch mode to lock the watch in different modes. Altimeter. The watch will lock in altimeter mode and all changes in pressure will impact the elevation reading. Barometer. The watch will lock in barometer mode and all changes in pressure will be considered due to weather and changes in ambient pressure. Auto. The watch will monitor changes and automatically switch between two modes. In addition, Storm Alert can be turned on here to remind you of impulsive changes in pressure, and select various settings such as time range of plot, switch unit, manually calibrate the sensor. If you want to know how to add widgets or custom activity data fields, please see the related videos. Thanks for watching.